Today we're going to be replacing nouns with pronouns. So we've got a few sentences here, and they've all got subjects in them. Der Garten, das Kind, die Suppe, and die Studentin. So nouns are great and wonderful, but sometimes we do need to replace them with pronouns because otherwise we're going to be saying the word der Garten way too many times. So, der Garten ist schön. The garden is pretty. I could replace der Garten with a pronoun to essentially mean it is pretty. The same thing with das Kind. I could replace das Kind with a pronoun to say that the child is playing outside, but not use das Kind. Die Suppe, I could replace it as well as die Studentin. So the thing is, in English, when we replace things with a pronoun, it always becomes an it. In German, you have to watch out for that because, yeah, we would translate it as it, but we actually need to look at the der, die, and das to decide which pronoun we're going to put in there. So we know that der is masculine. So if I would replace der Garten with a pronoun, I would have to use masculine. And we know that our masculine pronoun is er. Er ist schön. Now I know that looks like it's saying he is pretty, but it is referring to the garden. So in English we would say it is pretty. So er has replaced der Garten. Er ist schön. Now for das Kind, we have das. We know that's neuter. And we know that the neuter pronoun is es. So I would put es spielt draußen to replace das Kind. Es spielt draußen. Die Suppe, the soup, this is feminine, and we know that our feminine pronoun is sie. So I will take out die Suppe, and I will put in sie ist heiß. And I know that looks like she, but we're talking about soup, so it's going to be an it. It is hot. Die Studenten lernen Deutsch. The students are learning German. This one is more like our English. When we have plural things and we replace with a pronoun, it's always going to be they. So, sie lernen Deutsch. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know. Tschüss.